Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to make avocado oil, cold pressed avocado oil. I used 3.5 avocados, big avocados, the one small one. So after crushing them, I put them in a tray like this, and this is the two. Look how it's turning out after a few days. You can just put it outside on a cold where there is wind but cold place. The oil is forming. After it all turned black like that, I put it together to press the oil out. I didn't have a cheese bag for pressing the oil, so I improvised mine, as you can see. Then it starts squeezing, gently squeezing out. The oil should come.
Yay! Wow. Pure avocado oil.
You'll do this for the entire. For my case, I just divided the paste into 3 portions, then squeeze little by little until all the oil is out.
Oops. You need to this look. Accidentally.
This is the oil, pure cold pressed oil. I decided to filter to remove any impurities or any avocado paste that fell inside.
Pure cold pressed avocado oil.
After pressing out the oil, you can see the pulp that remained has nothing. Okay, it's very little oil. This is how it should be. This is how it should look like after you've done. You can still continue pressing if you see any remaining. So here I'm measuring the oil. Know the quantity I can get from the 3 avocados.
Ndio sawa. Nimeshapata 50 mark.
Mine produced around 85 ml to 90 ml. Someone joked and said if you take this 3 avocados, you'll have like drunk that much oil. I don't know how true that is, but this is the exact oil that you get from the 3 avocados. Thank you. You can try it at home and see how it will be. Put the oil in a dark container. For my case, I didn't have a dark container, so I put it in a black bag and stored in the cupboard. Till next time, bye.